dahil hindi niyo po kami iniwan. We have learned so many lessons from you. And rather we should sorry for our disappointments that we have done. But at the end of the day, nandyan pa rin po kayo sa amin. I could say I am lucky enough because my two predecessors are still in me. Special mention to some alumni. Ate Lovely. Thank you for listening to some of my problems na sa'yo ko itinadaig. Sa mga opinions, and more likely to be my booster when I felt low. Thank you, Ate Lovely.
Welcome.
To my inspiration as a student leader, Ate Ber, Kuya Marlon, Kuya Arvin, Ate Jana, Kuya Dab, and Ate Divan. I could say those people inspired me, and I thank them. Thank for their advices. To the faculty members, salamat po for being our wall and our guide. Members and active members, we would like to reach our deepest thanks to all of you. I know your names are too many to mention, but you know who you are. Salamat sa mga walang sawang pagtulong niyo sa amin. Sa mga kasama namin kapag gabi kami umuwi. Your initiative and willingness. Kung sa tingin nyo, simpleng bagay lang na itulong nyo, I will stand to be corrected. Ipagmamalaki ko na ang mga natulong nyo ay malaking bagay para sa amin. To the newly elected ATS officers, always seek God first in everything you do.